Hey guys, what's up? Hope everybody's doing good today. I'm going to do a quick video today. It's going to be a product review video. Kemimoto sent me out a couple new products that they just came out with. They're not new products, obviously. People have made and sold these previously, but they jumped into the game. They're making drive belts now for UTVs and a belt changing tool. So this actually hooks onto the secondary. There's a threaded hole in the center of the secondary. You put this piece on first. This will actually protect your secondary housing from becoming damaged. So this actually goes on the end of this here. So that way when you torque this back to decompress the spring in the secondary, the edge here is going to dig into this instead of digging into your secondary housing. So these have been around for a while, but as you can see, this is built a little bit differently. They put a nice little design to it. Kind of sweet looking. It's made out of aluminum, I believe. Over time, I'll tell you how this drive belt does. I'll leave that on until I have an issue with it, or if I have, 1,000 miles on the machine, I tend to change them. But we'll let you know how that does. Looks very similar to other ones that I've installed in the past. It looks like it's put together real nice, so should be happy with that. I'll let you guys know. As you guys can see, I have a lot of Kemimoto stuff already. Some of the stuff I bought, other things they've sent out to me to review. See, I have the door bags. I have the center bag, storage box. I'm not sure if you call that bag or a box, I can't remember. This is made by Kemimoto. That's a tablet holder there. This up here, it's an overhead storage bag. That's Kemimoto. The roof is Kemimoto. The spare tire carrier, that's Kemimoto. What else? These chase lights, they're both Kemimoto. These whip light mounts, those are Kemimoto. And you can see, I mean, the craftsmanship they put into these things, they're well thought out products. They fit great. Anyways, let's go ahead and start the install. Anybody that's changed one of these drive belts knows it's not hard. So I'll go ahead and start taking the cover off of the drive belt, and then I'll pick up the video from there. So you don't have to put it on until it's tight. You can just get a few threads on it. You want to be off to the side like this here, so you have room to move it. There you go. It's always a good idea when you get a new belt to go ahead and wash it with some warm water and some dish detergent, some Dawn dish detergent, whatever you got, and then let it air dry afterwards. That way you get off all the grime and dirt and everything that might have gotten on there during manufacturing. So, and just let it air dry out in the sun or whatever, and then go ahead and throw it back on. There you go. Okay, it's on. So then you can release the tension. That's pretty much it. Tool works great. It's a lot easier than using that one that you have to screw in. Just be patient with the belt. Make sure it's not hung up anywhere, and you're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to clean the box out. I see a little bit of dust in the bottom, and then I'll put the cover back on. But that's pretty much it. Clockwise until the belt starts to ride up toward the edge of the secondary sheaves. Just give it a few spins. It'll tighten right up. You can see there's less slack as you do it. That's it. See it riding up nice and high up there. Now is always a good time to check your rollers too. When you have the cover off, make sure there's no cracked rollers. Make sure nothing's loose on any of the rollers. That one actually has a little tiny bit of play, so I'll have to keep an eye on that. No cracks or anything. Everything's nice and tight on the primary. I had that off for a clutch kit I put in. So, all right, that's pretty much it. I'll put the cover on, and that's the end of the install. So, like always, I'll leave a link in the description of the video if you guys want to pick up the clutch tool or the belt. And I'll keep you guys posted if it snaps, if it doesn't last too long, if I have any issues with it. I'll let you guys know. So, well, yeah, I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you later.